All right. So we went that way to start off with?
We went that way, or which way did we go?
No, we went that way for sure, because that was the way I knew how to get there, and we wanted to go that way, the longer way. But I want to hit these jumps first for the camera. Are you recording?
Mm-hmm. Should be.
Is your camera upside down?
Yeah.
Oh, on purpose?
Yeah, it'll auto rotate.
Oh, okay. All right. Hit this jump and hit the tree. See! See! It's a little wild. All right, we should go that way now. I don't have enough power, especially get over this thing. Oh, maybe I do. Alright, look for the headphone. Hey, if anyone's watching this and sees the headphone, please, I'll give you a shout out in this channel that has 1 subscriber, Sid. Sedacious Sid. We went this way. But I had my headphones way into here. Shee! Forrest right behind me. He's wilding. I'm not really sure how fast I should go through here. There might be hikers. The other night we were mobbing though. That was a little different story. Might not have enough power in 2. I might need 3. Nah, we're good. Shee! I know we went this way, I think. Do you see tire prints that way?
It rained this morning, so there may not be anything.
I think it's this way. I'm pretty sure we went this way.
I don't really see any.
Yeah, I think we went this way. I'm pretty sure about it. If anyone has like better recording, I remember going over the stump. I hit that big stump there. Is it there? No. Yeah, I do remember hitting that. I got stuck on that and had to jump off. I'm 72, man. This is little jolts are too much. I need to turn down. How's it going? Go. Jeez. I like to run these trails too, so I get how you get them. Fuck, what was I doing? We went this way. Yeah, because I was trying to get down. And we went through here. I think we might have to go left at that last one, but I thought we were trying to go through here. Go a second more, and then go through. I think I remember here. Shit. Horse is getting bored. Getting a little show. Yeah. Let's go. See, that's not fun. We went this way. Can we try to look right here? No, we went that way. Did we go this way or that way?
Where's it showing your map?
Good idea. I was honestly just enjoying the trails. That was sort of fun. Find my... Can you smell my motor? It's burning up. It's trying to keep up. All right, so I have my left and my right one's here. So I don't What way is it? Oh,
That's where we are right now.
Yeah, that's where we are, and that's where the headphone is.
Yeah, I think we're going the right way. We gotta go that way, right? Zoom in a little bit more.
But see the blue? Is that the way we're facing?
Yeah. It might be upside down because it's an iPhone.
Good idea. Here, let me take this out.
You might zoom in farther so you're down.
Yeah, I'll let you do it.
Oh, that's as far as it'll let. Oh.
It's sensitive. It's iPhone.
You have to like zoom way in to see which trail we're
on. The trail you want to see. Oh, here's a trail. The technical trail.
Which is
the one.
There's a sign right there. I can go look and see what it says.
Yeah.
I think it said technical. We can go either way though, I don't care. As long as there isn't stairs.
Yeah, I think we gotta go that way. Like towards the birdhouse, but let's go this way just for fun.
Alright.
I'll follow you. Who's riding? Dario might want to come riding too.
Huh?
Dario, I think he just texted. He might want to come riding too. I think that's his number.
I'm sorry, what?
Dario?
Oh.
Texted the group chat. He might be riding later.
Alright.
But following you. Need 3. Keep up forests. Oh shit, let me not get behind you. We'll find those headphones eventually. Alright, you guys want to see something? What's cool you guys might want to see? Or I just talk about the bike on these trails. It goes about 60. I got it to 59. Going down a hill. 54, 55 on flat. 54 is the last time I stopped seeing, but then I went a little faster. So almost 60 with this bike. I figure anyone who's listening is probably Sid, Forrest, Ricky, someone we know. Well, I guess you guys are gonna need your YouTube name, so I'm gonna give you guys some YouTube name. The Blue Mogul for Forrest Adam. Sheesh. Ooh, no. I need low here. I think I'm still on 3. No, I'm at 1. Alright, picking up some speed. This walk has got to be a little careful. Ooh, I remember that log. That was breaking. Shit. Can't sit on those. If you sit on those, you're gonna lose. Shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's like a roller coaster in here. When you gotta stand up on a roller coaster, you're just gonna hit the shit out of your balls, you know, or, you know. Fuck, I'm in 2.